What's up everyone, and welcome back to another tutorial on our channel. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to get a refund on Temu without returning item. Temu sometimes allows refunds without returning for low-cost items or specific issues. Just open the Temu app or website, then go to Orders. Select the item, then tap Return or Refund. Choose a reason like item damage, not as described, or missing parts, then submit the request. If eligible, Temu will show refund without return automatically. When Temu allows no return refunds, low-value items, damaged or defective products, incorrect or missing items, or even shipping delays or issues, approval is automatic in many cases. Just note that not guaranteed for every item, and Temu decides eligibility case by case. Refunds typically process in 3 to 7 business days. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.